What up, guys? Good morning. Here with Cape City again. Let them know what you're gonna do.
We're gonna turn this homeowner's master bedroom from plain to magnificent with some lighting. We're gonna transform. We're gonna transform.
You guys gonna see it, the before and after. And this video is sponsored by Cape City. I'm gonna leave their information down in the description. So if you need any electrical work, it's right down there somewhere. All right. So right now he's making the holes or the circular things for the
wafer lights.
For the lights?
Wafer.
For the wafer lights. Not waffle, wafer. So right now he's about to pull this fan down to get the electric from there. Alright, so he's about to open one of the bathroom lights up there to connect the bathroom wafer light to there.